Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu reports that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Who will kill Ka'ab bin Ashraf, for he distressed Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and his Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam." Hazrat Muhammad bin Maslama got up and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do you like that I should finish him?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Yes." He submitted, "Then permit me to say something proper or improper as per need." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Say what you want." So Muhammad bin Maslama went to him, Ka'ab, and said, "That man, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, demanded poor due from us, though we too ourselves are destitute. I have come to you to borrow something from you." He said, "This man will trouble you still more." He replied, "As we have followed him, it is not appropriate to forsake him all at once, but we are seeking an opportunity. Let's see which way the wind blows. We have come to you so that you may lend us 240 or 480 kilograms of dates." Sufyan states Amr bin Dinar has frequently narrated this hadith, but he has never mentioned 240 or 480 kilograms of dates. When I told him that this hadith mentioned 240 or 480 kilograms of dates, he said, "I think a same quantity of dates is also mentioned." So Ka'ab said, "You should pawn something to me." They said, "What do you want?" He replied, "Mortgage your women." They replied, "How can we pawn our women to you when you are the most handsome of the Arabs?" He said, "Then mortgage your sons." They replied, "How can we pawn our sons to you? If we do so, everyone may abuse them, saying that you had been mortgaged in exchange of 240 or 280 kilograms of dates. So it will cause a great shame to us, but we can mortgage our weapon to you." Sufyan has said that the meaning of lama is as-salah, weapons. So he promised to come again. So he came to him at night accompanied by Abu Naila, Ka'ab brother, through nursing. He asked them to come to the fort and then descended to them. His wife asked, "Where are you going at this time?" He replied, "To meet Muhammad bin Maslama and my brother Abu Naila." Other people, says Amr bin Dinar, said that the woman also said, "It is as if the blood were dribbling from that voice." He said, "There is Muhammad bin Maslama like my brother, and Abu Naila my brother through nursing. And a nobleman should respond though he is called at night for playing with spear." Muhammad bin Maslama was accompanied by two men. Sufyan was asked whether Amr bin Dinar had told their names. He said he did not mention the names of anyone, but he said there were two other men with him. Other people told their names as Abu Abs bin Jabr, Haris bin Aus, and Abbad bin Bishr. Amr says that two men came along with him, and he said to both of his companions, "When he comes, I will hold his hair and smell it. And when you feel that I have got complete hold of his hair, you should finish him." Once Amr bin Dinar said, "I will let you smell it." So he descended, enveloped in his rapover, diffusing sweet fragrance. Muhammad bin Maslama said, "I have not smelled such a sweet perfume so far." Other people except Amr say that Ka'ab said, "I have a woman who puts on scent more than all of the Arabs and is perfect in beauty amongst all Arabs." Amr says that he said, "Can I smell your head?" He replied, "Yes." So Muhammad bin Maslama smelled his head and let his companions smell it. He again said, "Do you allow me to smell your head again?" He replied, "Yes." When he seized him tightly, he said, "Get at him." So they did away with him, and they went to the Prophet ﷺ and told him the whole story. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4037.